In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Binance to your Phantom wallet. First, open Phantom and decide which network you'll use for USDT, usually Solana, USDT on Solana, or Ethereum, USDT ERC20. In Phantom, switch to that network, tap USDT, then tap Receive and copy your USDT wallet address. Now open Binance. Go to Wallet Arrow Withdraw. Choose USDT and paste the Phantom USDT address as the recipient. Very important, select the same network you're using in Phantom, for example Solana or Ethereum. If the network doesn't match, your funds can be lost. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, check the withdrawal fee and final amount, then confirm and complete any security checks in Binance. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, go back to Phantom, and you should see your USDT balance updated on that network. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.